driving today is the new WagonR Stingray. This of course is nothing but a stylized, newer looking WagonR. All the mechanicals are the same as what we experienced and what we are familiar with the conventional WagonR, and there are no surprises here. In fact, think of the Stingray as the fashionable WagonR, if you can call it that. To that effect, it has an all black interior, including, if you'll follow, some piano black inserts on the dashboard. There's a little bit of piano black trim all around the car, on the steering wheel, accentuating the glove box, on the air conditioner vent surrounds, the power window switches. All of these have a little bit of what we call the piano black trim. In fact, this is something which is a sort of a little trend in the market today. Even the new Micra boasts of piano black trim. However, the conventional strengths of the WagonR remain. It's an extremely spacious and roomy cabin for its small footprint. Of course, most of the headroom is here, your headroom, exactly. And how much of that can you really use on a day-to-day basis is arguable. But what it does do is lend the WagonR Stingray a very airy ambience, a very nice and bright cabin, thanks to the glass house, not thanks to the plastics, of course, which are all black. How does it drive? Like any other WagonR. There's no difference at all. The same light controls. In fact, some of our fellow road testers find them a little too light. But in city traffic, in urban conditions, this is a car that's very easy to live with. Visibility from any angle is excellent. Even the rear view mirrors are these big, large squares which show you as much as you need to see of what's behind you. The engine is the tried and trusted K10B 3-cylinder petrol. This engine, as we all know, has a nice, rather torquey feel to it for a small 1-litre mill. Maruti claims that the WagonR Stingray delivers 20.5 kilometers a litre. Of course, these are under standard test conditions, but our tests haven't been too bad either. We've consistently averaged over 12 kilometers a litre in stop-go city traffic, using third and fourth gear very rarely, if at all. So, by that standard, we can say that the WagonR Stingray continues in the tradition of fuel-efficient cars from Maruti Suzuki. So how much does this cost? How much does this style statement of a small car cost? Well, this top-of-the-line VXI variant, if you compare it to the regular WagonR, the price difference is 27,000 rupees. Is that a lot to pay for the newer interiors and the funky front face? Well, not really. You know, there are a lot of people who like the style and are willing to pay that premium for the style. However, what is of interest here is that Maruti is offering a 20,000 rupee discount on the regular WagonR, but no discounts on the Stingray. That means the price difference then stretches to 47,000 rupees, or almost half a lakh. When you put that figure into the equation, it's a big question really. Do you want to spend half a lakh rupees more for new headlights and new grille and piano black interiors? Well, that's the beauty of the market today. The choice is in your hands. As for me, I've always been a moderate fan of the WagonR, if I could call myself that, and the strengths remain. You know, this car is an easy to drive, funky looking, quite practical urban runabout, and in that context, great. For a full detailed review on the new WagonR Stingray, simply log on to www.autojunction.in.